Hello, and welcome to our Korean conversational course for beginners. In this tutorial, we'll teach you some essential Korean phrases and tips that will help you start speaking Korean with confidence. Let's start with some basic Korean greetings. You can say, 안녕하세요 to greet someone, which means, hello, or, goodbye. To say, good morning, you can use, 좋은 아침입니다, 좋은 아침입니다, and for, good night, you can say, 안녕히 주무세요. Next, let's learn some Korean phrases for introducing yourself. You can say, 제 이름은 name입니다, 제 이름은 name입니다, which means, my name is name. You can also include your nationality, age, or occupation to give more information about yourself. For example, 지은은 한국 사람이고, 대학생입니다, 지은은 한국 사람이고, 대학생입니다 means, I am Korean and a college student. Now, let's learn some Korean phrases for asking for help. You can say, 도와주세요 to ask for help, which means, please help me. You can also use, 죄송합니다 to apologize for making a mistake or causing inconvenience. Finally, let's learn some Korean phrases for expressing emotions. You can say, 기뻐요 to express happiness, which means, I'm happy. To express sadness, you can say, 슬퍼요, which means, I'm sad. You can also say, 화나요 to express anger, which means, I'm angry. By learning these essential Korean phrases, you'll be able to start speaking Korean with confidence in no time. Keep practicing and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Good luck!